Many people who are into medicine, who are into botany, zoology, who are into the field of scientific exploration, they ask this question: is memory training compulsory for people who are studying MBBS? My suggestion, my recommendation is absolutely compulsory. Though you are an expert on human body, the thing is, brain works in a different fashion altogether. In our medicine, you have to remember a plant, it has got a botanical name. Animal has got one zoological name. And you need to remember a disease name. What tablet, what injection, right? What syrup supposed to prescribe, you need to remember everything. So when you have this memory, it's going to help you. Imagine a patient comes to you and says, I got stomach pain, and you don't know which medicine to give, and you are referring the medical manual. What will the patient do? He will simply run away from your hospital. Yes or no? That means a doctor should have very good memory. And the medical course itself, like competing in NEET exam, getting into MBBS itself is so difficult, and coming out of the MBBS course is so much difficult. And lifelong, you have to keep learning as an MBBS doctor. So very important for you. For example, banana, that's what we call. But the name of the banana, actual name is Musa paradiscum. How to remember? So Musa paradiscum is what? I remember something called mouse, paradise. Paradise is a biryani in Hyderabad. So you went to Paradise Biryani Hotel, asked for some biryani. One mouse brought and gave you banana. So that's what I make a picture. Mouse, paradise, Musa paradiscum, I remember. The dog, the name of the dog is Canis familiaris. How I remember? Canis familiaris. So Canis means kennel. What is kennel? The dog. Where does it live? It lives in a kennel. Family. So dog, you see it walking, is going to the kennel to be with its family. Now that's how I make a picture. This is how any disease, you can actually break it into small words, and then you can make visualization. And for that, what treatment, what injection, what syrup, what prescription, you can remember everything very easily. And as a doctor, it's very essential that you remember what you read, you remember what you do treatment to the patients as well. So every medical student is very compulsory that you should be a master of this memory, and that is going to make your job much more easier for you, so that you can save little time. So if you are keen to learn these memory techniques, Jai Simha Mind Education, India's premier memory institute, will be there, more than happy to help you to learn this learn these skills. So if you want to be part of this memory program, click the link below and be part of the memory workshop. I would love to see you succeed as a doctor in your profession. See you again. Until then, bye bye.